Everyone, back here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to dynamically change the order of your elements in Bubble. So I have three groups here, each holding a piece of text, 1, 2, and 3. And let's say I'm going to select previous, and I want number 2 to move to be the first one, right? I do that, and then we got 2's in the back. It's the first one. I want to move 3 previous. There we go. Make last. Let's make 3 last. Let's make 1 last. Make first. There we go. And then next. So how am I doing it? If you look over here, I have a drop down. I set this to be an option set that I made just so that I could show you in the demonstration. And then each of these elements has an ID attribute of div, or the ID attribute I set to be div1, div2, and div3. And then when each one is clicked, I'm triggering a custom event. And all that, I did all this for the demonstration side, and I placed it in a custom event just to save me the time of not placing each of these actions in each click, right? So the custom event is just accepting an element ID, and changing this dropdown is modifying a state on the page. And the action is Reorder Elements. So it is a free plugin that I just released, and you have the options of make first, previous, next, make last. And I did that to model this right here, make first, previous, next, make last, simply because I got a little frustrated that I couldn't run these actions outside the editor. Like, there is a conditional state you can add to make it make first, right? It doesn't exist. And so each of these 4 actions is one of those values, and it's just triggering based on that state I showed you. Again, this is just for the demonstration side. You could just run Reorder Elements as you see fit and set the value in the dropdown. And passing the element ID, this one's make first, this one's previous, next. You can see here it's changing. And let me know if you prefer that I made this just an input rather than a dropdown value, because dropdowns aren't dynamic. I can easily make that change. But yeah, that's pretty much it. It's straightforward. There is one thing though. This is only on the page level. It doesn't modify the actual order. It just changes it for the user on the page level, right? Now, neat trick, but what does it actually do? So the reason I built this was I was building a landing page, and on a desktop device, I had the hero text on the left side and then the hero image on the right side. But on a mobile device, the hero image actually needs to be at the top. And so let me show you what I meant. So I'm in this free UI kit, click on pages, and you see here, I was playing with this UI kit, and the hero text is on the left and the hero image is on the right. But on mobile, the design states that the image needs to be at the top. So when you build this in Bubble, you make this a row, and then you put breakpoints on this. When it collapses into a mobile, it will actually look like this, where I just have to detach instance and then place the text here, right? This is what it would look like, because that's how it would collapse. But we actually want it this way. So let's build it that way. I'll click this. I'll click convert. There we go. Copy it, paste. And it has some fixed settings just because of the design itself. So you can see here, the design had max width and max height, or fixed width. So let's just remove that. Let's remove fixed height. Let's get rid of all that, and let's get rid of the paddings as well. And let's make sure there's nothing else. Nope. This one will set min width to be 320 pixels. Oh, here we go. This one will set min width to be 320, and no fixed height. It has padding. That's how it's setting it. And then this, we'll align it like this. And then I'm going to set an ID attribute. This will be hero image. And I will set a workflow when page is loaded, only when, so on mobile, right? Current page width is less than mobile. Reorder elements. Oh, what was the ID of this one? Hero image. And we'll make it first, right? So this one will set to be on the left. So let's preview this. So right now, it's how we want it, but let's show responsive view. And there we go. So on a mobile device, now the image is at the top, and then on desktop, it's to the right as it was designed. Thanks. I hope this was helpful. Bye.